Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix your incoming call problem in your device Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T. So if you're facing any problem related to incoming call in your device Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to your incoming calls in your device.